Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you step by step how you can reverse video clips in a Shotcut video editor in 2025, for example, to play them backwards from the back to the beginning. This is how you can do it, guys, here on Shotcut. So what you want to do is access your video project, and here, guys, add the video clip from your video library to your timeline. So let me go with this one here. And last but not least, simply select your video clip on your timeline with your left mouse. Navigate to properties of the selected video clip, and here, guys, above filters you will see that reverse button. Click into it, and here, guys, you may, for example, customize your reverse effect, for instance, from good, better to best quality, which will also have an impact on the output file format and the file size, of course. So select the one you would like to go with. Let me go with good for the sake of this tutorial. Click into OK. Here you may add access the advanced settings if you like, and here, for instance, change something like this. I don't know, to be honest, what it is, so let me just leave it at that and click into OK to apply the reverse effect, and after that your video will be exported, but in this case here, the reversed video. So if you play the exported video clip if you play it, you will see it starting at the back and playing backwards to the beginning. So there you go. As you can see, it is exporting. So wait for a brief moment, and after that you will have your reversed video clip exported. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.